shit. This is a lot of goddamn people. Yeah. This might be our biggest show we've ever done outside of Ohio. If Florida's in the motherfucking house, say fuck yeah!
The voice of the people, he's still out the voice of the people, so y'all better let's go! Straight from the motherfucking top, like niggas in it, now let me rock, still got lemonade, I'm sitting on my back, it goes up, I'm making the heat, I'm making the heat, I should have got the below because no one knows what I'm getting out of my kid, let's go to it! There's a part on the track, I love so many strings in the streets out here, too soon to not know what's happening. Go to the city, gotta put me in back again. Make sure I'm crazy, man. Work to the whole east side, what happening? It was November, tonight I need to talk, so what about? Hometown, here, I'm gonna let it make flow. Get on the cup with me, I'm on another level, ain't nobody out with me. I'm on the better street, get your money on the road, let's go. Everybody put their motherfucking hands up. I need you to help me tell the fucking joke. Can you help me tell this joke? I'm gonna ask you a joke. A joke. A fucking joke.
A fucking joke.
Do you get it? Oh, okay. Holy shit on a goddamn stick. Give me this. What in the fuck? Are you serious? Lace up.
Who gave me this? You? You gave me this? Get your ass up here. Alright, check this out. I need both of you guys. I need everyone in here to help me tell the joke. It's fucking hilarious. Hey, C. Peterford. Knock, knock. Chip off the block.
hustle up where my roots at. I'm woo stack. I know the world will put you back to the wall. You got chance close. I've been through that. Chance close. Shoot back. Try to keep a peace. Chance close. I ain't a new jack. Watch chance close. Like me. Less than like chance close. Back.
Yo, we gonna have to rock with them, bro.
Hey, wait. I envision this going a lot better than this. So. So you guys know the song, that's good. Now I want you guys to go 10 times harder. Bring that shit back.
Yeah.